Once there was a boy named Sam. He wanted to be great, top of his class, fit, confident. But every time he tried, he gave up after a week. One day, his teacher said, "Sam, you don't need to be perfect. Just improve 1% every day." So Sam started small. He read one extra page, ran one extra minute, spoke one kind word. Nothing big, just small steps. Days turned into weeks, and slowly, Sam became sharper, stronger, and happier. Then he realized, success isn't about doing everything in one day. It's about doing something every day. So remember, even tiny progress today can create a huge change tomorrow.